Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you things that come in and out of the shop. And so please go to our social media accounts or to YouTube channel or to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, and take a look at what we restore so we can do something for your family. So now you're thinking, well, why are we showing you just a regular cherry trestle table? See how it has a trestle base, it has a nicely made, and it's made by Stickley. So why would we show you this? Because it's just kind of a normal cherry table, but it's the Houdini table. So let me show you why it's the Houdini table. So one of our woodworking team fabricated a place to store the leaves. So he made a fold down door in the apron, and the leaves are stored underneath the table, which is just the coolest thing. So both leaves are stored under, and they slide in this end, and the customer said, well, I don't want to put these leaves into my closet. I want to store them under the table. So we had a real challenge. So we made it into the Houdini table. So you see how these pop out, and they have kind of an awkward structure to them. That's the back pieces that hold them on. And so one fits on one end and one fits on the other end. And you can see that he can put them together quite easily now. And we call it the Houdini table. Thanks for watching.